guys, it's exactly 3 a.m. Ayan. At nagpe-prepare na tayo para sa mga gamit natin. Because tomorrow we'll be going to Tagaytay na. Guys, naiiyak na ako because ito na. Panahon na para isulat ang aking vow. So, ayan. Huwag na kayong sumama. Pero sana, while you're watching this, guys, nag-e-enjoy kayo so far. Ayan. Sana maganda naman ako sa araw ng kasal ko. Hindi ganito. So, ayun guys. Enjoy kayo. And sobrang salamat sa lahat ng nakarating sa big day namin. Mahal namin kayo. So, ayan, susulat na ako ng vows. Huwag na kayo sumama. Bye! Enjoy the party! Mamaya, Joyce, pagising mo. Kasalan na. Good night and good luck sa atin. Abangan ang ating wedding. This is it. She a misses. Later. Good night. Good morning, people! It's a beautiful day to get married, no? Kahit meron tayong pimple, pero kaya na ng ating glam team yan later. So, ayan! Ang ating venue. Aki, Lele, Mommy is getting married and Daddy! Yay! I love you! Smiley go later! Love you, bubuy! Yan, chill na po ang mga iiyak mamaya, oh. Yan. Here, and for today is a very special day because you know what? It's my wedding day and meron tayong special guest. Come on, Team Brown! Kaya ko ba today? Lord, sa makeup, every day when I do my Bible journal, lagi ko na lang tanong, Lord, paano pa po ba magiging masaya? Kung mag-madre na lang kaya ako at isi-render ko ang lahat sa inyo. But the Lord is so good. Paano ako nananaginip?
Expert mo. And your kapatid, sila. Sige.
Narinig ko ba lang?
Oh, basta sabihin ko lang, hug lang.
So for today is a very special day because kasama ko ang aking bride squad at wedding day natin today. This is really is it. So see you guys sa church at sa reception. Party! Ito na tayo. Ayan na po tayo, no? Medyo mahihimatay na po tayo, pero ikakasal pa din tayo, syempre. Ang gwapo-gwapo natin driver si Kiko. At ma'am, ano name mo?
Ate Nachi.
Ate Nachi and si Miss Charm ng EMS. Ayan. Happy kasalan na! Hey! Kiko, salamat! Ninong! Nong ni! Akalain mo yun, ikakasal ako! Hey!
know she'll be much better if she just believes that she can. And with that, I vow to be your number one enabler up to the point that hindi mo na i-ask yourself kung kaya mo or not. Because you know, whatever the results will be, it will either be that we both win or we learn. Most importantly, I vow to keep Lord the center of our relationship. Remember that I was at the point na before na if it's God's will for me to be up to dito na lang, I will accept. But kita mo naman sa yung binigay niya. Someone na on the verge of doing the Holy Land trip para mag-manifest you. So before I end this message, I would like to put emphasis on a super husband and an extremely panik-panik and dramatic wife. Go so perfectly together, and that's why I'm very confident that our tandem is a perfect match from heaven. I love you, my honey bunch, and I promise that I always will. Thanks for being in the so jealous of you. And I'm looking forward to our next event.
Honey Bunch, for so many years I've been looking for someone's love, but always ends up in failed relationship. Ang dahil sabi ko, sakit pa lang magmahal mo, kaya tinanggap ko na. Mag-aalaga na ako ng aso, pusa, at dagang mosta. But kidding aside, months before I met you, were my lowest. Every day when I do my Bible